Building your perfect storage shed is more than just a weekend project. It's an opportunity to create a functional, beautiful space that serves your needs for years to come. Whether you're aiming to declutter your garage, protect your gardening tools, or establish a workshop, a well-designed shed can be the solution you've been looking for. But how do you ensure your storage shed isn't just good, but perfect for you? The answer lies in careful planning, thoughtful design, and smart construction choices. Every perfect shed starts with a clear vision. Before you pick up a hammer or order materials, take time to define your shed's purpose. Will it store bikes and lawn mowers, serve as a potting shed, or double as a quiet retreat? Consider the tools, equipment, or other items you'll keep inside, and think about how you want to access them. Sketch out a list of must-haves, such as shelving, windows for natural light, or even electrical outlets. This initial planning phase lays the groundwork for a shed that truly fits your lifestyle. Next, it's time to pick the ideal location for your shed. Walk around your yard and observe the space. Choose a spot that's level, well-drained, and easily accessible. But also consider aesthetics and any local regulations or homeowner association rules about placement. Pay attention to how sunlight moves through your property. Strategic placement can help keep your shed dry and comfortable. Also, make sure there's enough clearance around the site for construction and future maintenance. With your location chosen, think about the shed size and shape. Measure the area carefully and allow for extra space if you expect your storage needs to grow. A common mistake is to build a shed that's too small, so err on the side of a little extra room. Consider the roof style as well. Gable roofs are classic and practical, while a lean-to or salt box roof can give you more headroom or fit better in a tight space. Now, focus on design. The perfect shed isn't just a box with a door. It's a structure that complements your home and landscape. Choose materials that balance durability, appearance, and budget. Wood is a popular choice for its natural look and flexibility, but metal and resin offer low maintenance and excellent weather resistance. If you go with wood, select pressure-treated lumber to resist rot and insects, and plan to paint or stain it for extra protection. Windows and doors are key elements. Good ventilation keeps your shed fresh and prevents mold, so include windows that open or install vents near the roofline. A well-placed window can also flood the space with natural light, making it easier to find what you need. Choose sturdy doors that swing smoothly and can be locked securely. Double doors are ideal if you need to move bulky items in and out, while a ramp makes wheelbarrows or lawn tractors easy to maneuver. Inside, organization is everything. Start by planning your storage systems before you build. This way you can reinforce walls for heavy shelves or include pegboards and hooks for small tools. Install shelving that runs from floor to ceiling to make the most of vertical space. Use clear bins or labels to keep things easy to find and hang frequently used tools near the door for quick access. If you'll spend time working in your shed, add a sturdy workbench and task lighting. Don't overlook the foundation. A solid, level foundation is essential for a long-lasting shed. Options include concrete slabs, gravel beds, or pressure-treated wood skids. The right foundation keeps your shed stable, dry, and free from pests. Take your time with this step, and you'll avoid headaches down the road. When it comes time to build, gather all your materials and tools before you start. If you're new to construction, consider ordering a shed kit with pre-cut parts and detailed instructions. Kits can save time and reduce mistakes, but a custom build lets you tailor every detail. Either way, work methodically, following safety guidelines and double-checking all measurements. Ask a friend or family member to help. An extra pair of hands makes the job easier and more fun. As your shed takes shape, pay attention to finishing touches. Install gutters to direct rainwater away, and add a gravel or paver path for easy access. Paint or stain the exterior to match your home, or choose a bold color that turns your shed into a backyard feature. Plant shrubs or flowers around the base to blend the structure into your landscape. For added comfort and utility, consider running electricity to your shed. A few outlets and overhead lights can transform the space from simple storage to a true workshop or hobby room. If you plan to spend long hours inside, add insulation and weather stripping to keep the space comfortable year-round. Security is another important consideration. Install a sturdy lock on the door and consider motion sensor lights or even a simple alarm to deter theft. Keep windows small or place them high for privacy, or use frosted glass to let in light without revealing what's inside. Finally, remember that a perfect shed is a living space. It can change and grow with your needs. Design your shed to be flexible, with adjustable shelving and space for future upgrades. Treat it as an extension of your home. Keep it tidy, maintain it regularly, and enjoy the satisfaction of a space that's truly your own. Building your perfect storage shed isn't just about nails and boards. It's about creating order, protecting your belongings, and enhancing your property. With careful planning, thoughtful design, and a touch of creativity, you can build a shed that meets your needs today and adapts to whatever tomorrow brings. So gather your ideas, roll up your sleeves, and start building the perfect storage shed for you. The results will be worth every moment and every effort.